everyone, welcome back to Math Zone and I am Harmeet and today we will learn about quadratic equations. Now equation is what? It is the use of constant and variables plus one condition. Now if I am having this equation, so here this 4 and this 7 and 3, they all are constants. This x, this is a variable. Now constants are the real numbers only. Variable is the missing value assigned by some variable, that is some alphabet. So we can assign any alphabet as a variable and this equals to sign. Now this gives the condition. So the collection of constant variables and one condition gives us the equation. We are having different types of equations and equation they depend on the degree of the variable. Now if any equation, any variable is having the power as 1, as we were having in this question, so the exponential power of this variable is 1, so this is linear equation. Now if we are having the highest variable, highest value exponential power of the variable as 2, that is known as quadratic equation. So any equation which is having the highest power of the variable given to us equals to 2 is known as quadratic equation. And we can write the quadratic equation as now the coefficient of this term x square, the highest degree is known as b, and this coefficient of x square, it is known as a, and coefficient of x is known as b, and for the constant value we will take c. So we are having these as the coefficients of the variable given to us. And the standard form of this is this, x square minus sx plus p. Now we can replace this b with minus s. Now what is this s? This is the sum of the roots or the factors. And this p, this is the product of the zeros or factors or roots, one and the same thing. Now we can either use this one or we can use this one, and we can verify by using both these equations. Now a quadratic equation is always having two factors. As the degree is 2 only, so we are having two factors. We can cross check it, we can verify it. We can take this example. Now first of all we have to find out the factors. So here if we write a is equals to 2, b is minus 3, and here c is minus 5. Now if we want to factorize it, if we want to find out the factors, so we have to multiply the coefficient of x square with this constant value. So 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Now if we want to find out the factors whose product is minus 10, but it will add those, the sum should be equals to minus 3. So we can have these two pairs. So if we take this one, so we'll have the sum is minus 3. So we can write this equation, we can split this way, minus 5x plus 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. Now x, 2x minus 5 plus 1, so 2x minus 5, So x plus 1 and 2x minus 5. So if we take out the factors, so one factor is one is minus 1 and the other one is 5 by 2. So we'll have the first factor as minus 1 and the second factor as plus 5 by 2, or so alpha is minus 1 and beta is 5 by 2. Now we can verify it. Now we can use these numbers also. So the sum of roots is equals to minus b by a. So the sum is minus 1 plus 5 by 2 and minus b is minus 3 and a is 2. So if we'll solve this, we'll have 3 by 2. So you can see, if we'll add the factors, we'll have minus b by a, which is the central value or the coefficient of x. Now if we'll take alpha beta, so that is equals to c by a. Now alpha is minus 1 and beta is 5 by 2 and c is minus 5 and a is 2. So minus 5 by 2. So now you can see alpha beta is equals to c by a, and both ways we are having equal. So that means the quadratic equation, it is having two factors only, and we can verify the relation with the help of this b by a and c by a. So the standard form of quadratic equation is x square minus sx plus b, which this shows the sum and this is the product. So in this way we can verify the relation of the factors of the quadratic equation. So friends, this was a small lesson on quadratic equation. Hope you got to learn something. If you have any queries or finding any problem in mathematics, just write me in the comment or mail me here. And stay tuned with Maths Soon.